Hello, I'm Gianmarco Glovi, account manager for Italy, and I'm going to introduce you our workshop lamp range. Here in Automechanika, we are presenting 3 new products. These lamps are perfect for the workshop environments, since they are really resistant, strong to every kind of fall, and even solvents, liquid or chemical agents. Here we have the PGH10, that is a really strong, small and compact projector with 1000 lumen. Then here we have 2 cordless lamps, the RCH25 and the RCH5. These lamps are really powerful, strong, resistant to the water, chemical solvents, as I said before. And as you can see, even going deep into the water, lamps, it will still work.